Hello and welcome to Penny Stock Trading. This is John. Today we're going to talk about weed stocks and why they could be very hot this week. With all the issues swirling around Governor Cuomo in New York City, on Friday they were still negotiating legalizing marijuana in the state, and they really have been pushing very, very hard, and they have a deadline of April 1st to get this done, and they're going to even work through the weekend, from what I heard, to push this through. As you can see, this is a very good website, Marijuana Moment. I'll share the link for this Marijuana Moment, but this is a very good resource to get all the marijuana, latest and greatest news. As you can see from this report, Congress is actually working on the federalizing marijuana reform, and basically needs bipartisan compromise to make this happen. So it's not just happening in New York, it's happening in government and also in various states around the country. As you can see from this report this week, this is the latest report, Wyoming approved marijuana legalization. Here's another website, Marijuana Business Daily, where you can get all the latest and greatest information on marijuana as well. I will share the link for this website as well. It's very informative. So this report here, you can see, basically talks about the legalization opportunities for cannabis companies. So with all this cannabis news, I believe the stock market is going to shoot up anytime soon. It's been down the last month, but it's ready to skyrocket, and we're going to get right into it now. The first stock we're going to discuss is MedMen, MMNFF. Here's their financial report. Basically, their gross margin is up, their retail gross margin is up, and their 29 retail store revenue was up as well. So as more states legalize marijuana, they are going to build more stores and grow and make more money, and the stocks will go up. Here's another good stock, MCOA, Marijuana Company of America, and they are the leader in the global movement to promote industrial hemp and other products for humans and for animals. So as you can see by this daily chart, the last month here, like most other stocks, especially in this industry, have been down, but they're prepped and ready to go. So this is a good time to buy. Here's another stock, SNDL, Sundial Growers of Calgary, Canada. You can see there's a lot of optimism with the stock, and once Washington looks toward the cannabis reform, this particular stock and a lot of other stocks will shoot up for sure. And as you can see, it was up at 396 about a month ago, so it's got some potential there. The next stock is MJNA, Medical Marijuana. They make and sell hemp products, and as you can see, they were up to 22 cents about a month ago as well, and there's a lot of dip potential here. This next stock, CBGL, Cannabis Global Incorporated. As you can see, they were up to about 35 cents a month ago, so basically cut more than 50% here, so good time to buy at the dip. Here's another USMJ, North America Cannabis Holdings. So as you can see, they were up to 0.008 about a month ago. So they've dipped 4 times the amount there. So there is some great potential there. Those were a handful of good penny stocks to look at, but now we're going to look at some higher price stocks that you may be interested in as well. Here's stock TLRY, Tilray Incorporated. They were up to $67 about a month ago. Good time to buy. CGC, Canopy Growth. They were up to $56.50 about a month ago. ACB, Aurora Cannabis. They were up to $18, almost $19 a month ago. CRON, Kronos Group. They were up to almost $16 a month ago. Good time to buy. CURLF, Lead Ventures. I've heard some good things about this company, and as you can see, they were hovering around almost $18.50 about a month ago. CURA, Curaleaf Holding. They were up to $23.30 about a month ago. BNGO, Bionano Genomics, was up to $15.69 not long ago, about a month ago. So good dip potential here as well. That's a handful of good weed stocks, but always do your own due diligence when choosing a stock and check these out, and you'll see for yourself if you want to make the investment or not. Here are a few hot penny stocks from last week. MDM Permian. They did very well last week, as you can see, in a few days. Worth sticking on your watch list. MSTO, Masterbeat, also did very well last week. Worth keeping an eye on. They dipped down, but you never know. May shoot up again. IPNFF, Imagine AR Incorporated. Worth putting on your watch list for this coming week. LRDC, Laredo Oil, shot up like a rocket ship last week, so worth putting in your watch list as well. DVFI, Diversified Oil, did very well last week as well. Worth putting in the watch list. Keep an eye on. These are stocks that, if they could avoid the shorts, we can continue to soar and do very well with these stocks. And here's another penny stock, CTRM, Castor Maritime Incorporated. This is a penny stock in the energy sector that is in the 4 penny stocks to look at in this industry. So something to look at. I mean, they were up to almost $2 about a month ago, so worth putting in your watch list now and keeping an eye on. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. Have a great day and good luck this week. All the best to you. Thank you.